If you've included multiple choice questions in either an assigned or an administered assessment, there are a whole lot of analytics that you can take a look at. So once you're in your assessment, click on Results. Scroll down to look at your multiple choice analytics. So the scores will show key statistics, and when you scroll down to the bottom, you have the option to export question data and student data here. The Questions tab will display the frequency of each selected response with the correct response in bold. And you can see how many students or what percentage of your class answered each of those responses by hovering over the top. The Diagnostic tag has a range of different analytics. Difficulty, classified by Crowdmark as an easy question, is where more than 70% of students answer a question correctly. And a really difficult question is when less than 30% of students answer correctly. Discrimination refers to the correlation between student responses to a particular question and total scores on the test. And distractor questions, a poor distractor is when an incorrect response to the question was selected by less than 5% of the students, or the incorrect response was selected by top performing students. You can learn more about the multiple choice analytics, how they were generated and calculated, and what they mean by clicking on this help document here.